Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today in our lesson we will learn about predecessor and successor. Let's see what is predecessor. Predecessor means before. In mathematics, one less than is known as predecessor. It will be more clear when we do different examples. We have a question like write the predecessor of this given number. Now dear students, look at this number. Here we have a large number having 8 digits. So what will we do for finding the predecessor? We will subtract 1. Now at this stage, there is a question. Where we will write this 1? We will write this 1 under the last digit, or where we will write whether we will write it at the end, under the digit at the end, or under the digit at the mid. No, the right place of this 1 is at 1's place, okay? We will subtract 1 from the 1's digit. Here in this question, we have 8 at 1's place. So we will just subtract 1 from 8. After subtracting 1 from 8, we will get 7 and we will get the complete answer like this. Now this is the predecessor of our given number. Now dear students, we have question number 8 part B of exercise 1A, that write the predecessor of this number. Look at this number. We have a large number having 9 digits. For finding the predecessor, we will just subtract 1 like this. Now look at this number. Can we subtract 1 from 0? No, we cannot subtract 1 from 0. So what will we do? We will borrow from the next digit. Our next digit is 1 at 10th place, and when we borrow from the 10th digit, 1 from the 10th digit, what will happen? Yes, the digit at our 10th place becomes 0, and at 1's place 0 becomes 10. Okay, now at this stage it is very easy for us to subtract 1 from 10. After subtraction, we will get this answer, which is the predecessor of given number. Now in part C, we have again a large number of having 9 digits. For finding the predecessor, we will just subtract 1. Now look at this number. Can we subtract 1 from 0? No, we cannot subtract 1 from 0. We will just borrow from the nearest digit, that is from 10th. But we have 0 at 10th place. So what will we do? We will move to the next digit, that is the digit at 100th place. What will happen when we borrow? Yes, when we borrow 1 from 100th place, at 1's place we will have a digit 0. When we borrow from 100 at 10th, we will have a digit 10, and after borrowing from 10th place, we will get digit at 9 at 10th place, and the digit at 1's place will become 10. Now at this stage, it is very easy to subtract 1 from 10. After subtraction, we will get this answer, which is the predecessor of our given number. Now dear students, we will learn that what is successor. Successor means after. In mathematics, one more than is known as successor. Now let's see different examples or questions for it. Yes, we have question number 9 of exercise 1A. Like write the successor of this number. What will we do? We will just add 1. Okay, for successor, we will add 1. when we write 1 at one's place or when we add 1 to the digit at one's place, we will get this answer. This answer will be the successor of our given number. Now part B of question number 9. Again we have a large number and we have to find the successor. What will we do? Yes, we will just add 1, and after adding, now look at this number. When we add 1 with 9, 9 plus 1 equals to 10. So what will we do? Yes, we will carry 1 to the next digit. Okay, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 has 2 digits, so 1 will be carried to the next digit. And we will get the answer like this. Okay, 9 plus 1, 10. And at 10th place, we have digit 10. And we have to add the borrow number to 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So we will get this answer. This answer will be the successor of our given number. Now dear students, question number 9 part C, okay, of exercise 1A, we have a number and we have to find out the successor of this number. What we will do? We will add 1. After adding, we will get this type of situation where we have to add 1 plus 9. So what will happen? 1 plus 9 equals to 10. 10 is a number having 2 digits. So we will write 0 with 1 carry. This is our carry number and this is our answer. 9 plus 1 equals to 0 with 1 carry. 0 plus 1, 1. Okay. And we have no digits under the digit at 100 place. So we will write 0 plus 0 equal to 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0, 6, 1, 7, 8 as it is. Now this is the successor of our given number. Now dear students, at this stage we will revise the main points of our today's lesson. Today we have learned about predecessor. Predecessor means less than 1, okay, and we have to subtract 1. Successor, we have learned about successor. Successor means more than 1, okay, and we have to add 1. We have to add 1 with the digit at one's place. That is, we have to start from ones, okay. When we do this subtraction or this addition, we have to start from 1. Now thank you so much. This is the end of our today's lesson. Thank you.